Hey everyone, look here, I've got tons of Sora 2 invite codes. And guess what? If I paste any of these codes inside Sora 2, I instantly get full access to this powerful AI video tool. Now I know you've probably watched hundreds of videos claiming to give you Sora 2 invite codes, and most of them turned out fake, right? So stop wasting time because this is the last video you'll ever need. Just watch this video till the end, don't skip. By the end, you'll get a working invite code and full access to Sora 2. So let's go. Step 1. Open your browser and type Sora 2 in Google. Click on the first official website. Step 2. On that page, click on Invite Code. You'll see a box asking you to enter a code. But where will you get the code from? Let me show you. Step 3. Open a new tab and type Sora 2 Invite Code Reddit. Click on the first Reddit link. Scroll a little bit, you'll see the Sora 2 Invite Code Community. Click on it, and boom, there you'll find lots of invite codes shared by real users. Just copy one of those codes, go back to the Sora 2 page, and paste it in the invite box. That's it, you're in. But wait, those codes will only work if you subscribe to this channel right now.